Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name but phone number on Android. So there are some solutions here. The first one is you need to go to your WhatsApp account. Now in the bottom right here you can see there is a chat icon. Just click on it. Now after clicking it, click the top right three dot icon. And here you can see there is a refresh option. Just click on it. It will take a second to refresh it. If it is not solved yet, you need to go to your phone settings. Now go to apps, click on manage apps. Now in the top search bar, search for WhatsApp. Now you need to just reselect the permissions that you have given. It may be possible that your permissions are not granted, so you need to just allow the permissions. If it is on allow, just click on don't allow, and after a few seconds click on allow again. And after that your problem will be solved. If it is not solved yet, the last solution is to uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it again, and by that your problem will be solved surely. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.